Okay, so here we find ourselves at Wolf Creek, hole 3, par 3, the tabletop. So a prime example of a uphill hole that requires underpull. So you can see, looking from behind the hole, behind the ball, looking up toward the green, it's way uphill. So looking at this hole, I'm going to try to dunk it. That way I'll be able to isolate how much I missed by more easily. So this is going to be pulling to. I've already pre-calculated this a little bit, so I know I'm going to be pulling about 3.1 rings. And that's going to take me, I'm going to measure from there to max, and I'm going to get 5.8 rings. So 5.8 rings with a 3.7 mile an hour wind, 3.633 rings. But I know that this hole requires significant underpull because we're at way higher elevation. So I'm going to try a 15% underpull. So I'm going to take my 3.633 rings times 0.85, and it comes out to right 3.09. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to set up. I'm going to set up just in front of the cup because I know I'm pulling to something slightly higher elevation. All right, and then from there, I'm gonna pull. Get right on across here. And pull right at 3.1. And of course, it's got me between pixels. So this might go long and hit the pin. We'll see. Am I close? Am I on? Am I good? It's in.